Hello everyone, today we are going to see that how we will install Jira. So at first you must have to open this video in your mobile phone. So try to open the video in your mobile phone. So in that way it will be easier for you to understand or implement the steps in your computer. So whatever I'm going to do, you have to do the same thing. So let's start with opening a Jira account. So what you need to do at first, try to sign into your Google account with your email at first. So at first open your Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome. So from here I will go to Jira Cloud, Cloud. Okay, so Jira Cloud, I'm here. So you're going to see this website. So you're going to use trial version. So it is written www.atlassian.com Jira software pricing, and see, I'm going to click here, start your free trial. So let's start here. Okay, so we are not going to click anywhere, just clicking on next, and here you have to give a site link and email. So I have already signed in here. They're going to ask you different accounts. So suppose you are going to see something like that. So I'm signing in with Easy Automation Lab, as I'm already having account here. If you are watching sign in with Google option, click on sign in with Google, and then you are going to land on this page. So from this page, please note down this link. So this is your link, suppose. So you have to note it down, easyautomationlabs.atlassian.net. It is my link, yours one will not be same. That will be matched with your email. So you have to note it down. So whenever you are going to log into your Jira or you want to see your Jira, you have to go to this address. So this is my address. Yours address will be different from mine. So then I'm going to click agree and start now. Make sure this is not the same as yours. Yours one will be different from mine. Or you can click start a new site, but I'm not going to click it because I'm satisfied with this site. Okay, so see, you can write a new site of yours, like suppose shamsevan.atlassian.net. It is also possible, but I am not going to use it. Use an existing site. I am already having this one in my Confluence and all. So I'm just clicking on agree and start now. I have landed on this page. So here is a free plan, manage subscription, blah blah blah. I can use 10 users here. Unlimited project is there, so I don't have to worry about anything. So you just have to hang on a bit. It's going to load everything for you. Okay, now all done. You are good to go. Go to Jira software. So whenever I'm going to click it, see, the link has been changed at the top. So see, here, the link has been changed. So here it is easyautomationlabs.atlassian.net onboarding software. So yours one will be different, everyone's will be different. So no worries about anything. So if you are here, so now here I am new to Jira, experienced with Jira. So I'm clicking on new to. You have to click on new to as well. So click on new to, And I'm setting up Jira for my software team, my business team. So software team is good, and my team is experienced with agile methodology. We spend our time working on features, not supports, not fixing bugs, features. We have a tight schedule. That means we have to release our software. The tight schedule. Now here, create project. You can change these details anytime. So suppose we have to create our very first project. So we are working on your card. Suppose this is my project. This is my actually domain name, but your card. We are working on project um, NB. For example, your card project 2, for example. So okay, create project. We're not going to take anything. Select. There's Slack, Microsoft Team. So you can integrate this with your Jira. So we can even connect it later as well. So you can mention people, you can text from Jira to Slack, Microsoft, GitLab, so many things. So now I'm not going to select anything from here. So I will go to next. I can choose Slack, Microsoft Team, GitHub if I need to, but I'm not using anything right now. So I'm skipping it for now. And here is the Jira Agile board. So what you need to understand here is you have to add your team members, and it is your it's just similar to Confluence. Like it is also Atlassian product. So here you can see your project name here, like your card is like this is a project name, and YCP2, that is your card project 2. So YCP2 comes from there. So YCP2 is the ticket or something like that. And there are so many things, roadmap, backlog. We will definitely go through this, but set it up at first. Then we are going to discuss about APIC and all. So we know at first our all the user stories come in a product backlog. So product backlog adds here. Like if I want to create an issue, if I click here, let me show you again. If I click here, it's going to create story. So Scrum Master provides our product owner. Product owner suggests Scrum Master to upload all the user stories here. So whenever from these user stories, a business analyst creates a like you know creates a use case. So in that situation, what happens? At first, the API gets determined before selecting any user story from the product backlog. So the epic is created at first by the Scrum Master. So suppose you were working in a project that is related to purchasing product. So you can create an epic here, and this duty is going to be done by Scrum Master usually, not by yourself. But as we are not having any Scrum Master with us right now, so we have to create it by ourselves. So here, what you're going to do, suppose my epic name is purchase product and checkout. In summary, I can write sorry, as a user, I want to. It's not a user story, but I'm just writing randomly. I want to purchase a product successfully. Ignore my spelling mistakes. Successfully. So in the situation, in that way, you can create an epic. So the epic is created. There are no issues in this epic. So you can, here is the version. If you click on version, so let me show you again. So there is a thing called version. So version is there, epic is there. So create a version. You can create any version, like suppose you are working on your curt v1, and the sprint starting date, or the project that we have started, the date is like suppose day before yesterday or 2 weeks ago, and the release date will be like quarter. If it is a quarterly release, like this version should be released within 4 months, so that will be the release date will be here. Where will you find this thing? In the project plan, in the confluence, or in the meeting you're going to discuss about it. So you will definitely have idea about it. So we will go through these options whenever we will start classes. But let me tell you, this backlog doesn't belong to any epic. So this is a main product backlog. From this backlog, suppose business, suppose we are working with, in this epic. So at first, for purchasing a product, we need to do login and something. Login. We need to registration. We need to log in. We need to search a product. Then we need to add to cart. Then we need to check out. So all the stories, there will be thousand stories from here. From the stories, we have to drag and drop. Suppose, let me show you registration, user registration. For example, the story doesn't work like that. If you click here, the user story should be here in description. As a user, I want to do something like that, blah blah blah. So this is just a simple thing. This is just like the name, the locator, so that I can identify that the story is about registering the product. And you see the small thing here, YCP2. So YCP2 is my project name, your card project 2, and this 2 is a ticket number. So YCP2 is a ticket number here. So the epics, see, whenever I have created anything, that thing has got something. So this is um this epic should have an ID as well. So view epic details. If you go here, you will find that YCP21. So this one is, this is one here, YCP21. So YCP2 is already my project name, project ticket, and 1 is the number. So whatever you are going to create in Jira, that will have it, everything will have a different number, nothing will be same. So whenever I have created an epic, it has got content number 1, and whenever I have created a user story in the product backlog, that has turned into 2. So whenever you are going to create anything newly, that will have a different ID. This is the thing that we search in that we use for search. This is called ticket number. So okay, so see, all issues. That means whenever you are going to click in all issues, so version we don't need right now. So whenever you are clicking on all issues, it's going to give you suppose here is 100 things, like another thing is flight booking, and another ticket. So it is containing ticket number 3. See, YCP23. So whatever it is, everything will have a different ticket number. So it is 2, it is 3, and user registration. So in this epic, purchase product and checkout, user registration should come, but flight booking is not necessary to come in this epic. So what we will do, we can do so many things from here. We can do drag and drop here. So now see, purchase product. So in this thing, in this like you see, it has become array orange. So here we can identify that it has already come into inside this epic. Or if I click on this epic, so you can see that it is already here. So now you can see inside this epic there is a backlog, and all issues will be everything like product backlog, what is in different epic together. But if you click on a specific epic, so it is highlighted. So here inside you will find the only user stories that is inside the epic. So then business analyst will create um, a plan, all the functional requirements or the use cases regarding this story. Those will be assigned here, and those will be assigned in Confluence. Those will be linked with this ticket number. So it is containing a ticket. So if you can see, here is a link issues. So here you can link it with the Confluence. So yeah, that's how we are going to work. So other things we are going to learn in the class. So thank you. Just install Jira and get ready for Jira class. Thank you.